Hey students, how you doing? This is a message going out to my small business management students, Business 230, for the week of February 12th. This week we are working on your just defining your product or service. I know that in the early part of this class you've come up with the idea of what your business is. You may have formed this type of business. You may have created a product. But now is where you really want to refine what it is you do, because it's easy to get scattered and go in a bunch of different directions. So you want to concisely describe what product or service that you offer, what it is that you provide to your consumer or your customer. So you can have a picture and a description, or you can have just a description. And if you offer a litany of services, you can have like one or two slides. Keep in mind too that you want to have a continual build of your PowerPoint. So at this point, you're going to have several slides from your previous weeks building up to this week, and then you're going to just describe specifically what product or service or products or services that you offer. And also, if you want to provide an illustration or a picture of your product or service, that's fine too. So if you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing your submissions. Have a great week.